See.
Alright, for the next one, it's going to be the simple full petal flower that I'm not saying that for, so cut.
You keep saying for the next one, but like you forget that the.
I know,
these are the
we need to
first
cut.
videos.
I need to cut it. Yeah, I need to.
So
Don't even say that.
Right, so say.
For this, give me something to replace it with.
For the blank, we're gonna.
For the flower, you need.
Right,
Okay.
it's that easy. Okay, you're good to go.
I gotta get my composure. Come on,
Gotcha.
you're slowing this down. Okay.
Okay.
For the flower, we need 2 balloons. We need the marigold and also the green that we're gonna blow up. How did I know that was going to be really difficult from the get-go? Try not to pass out, Mr. Fudge. There are people watching. Okay. For the green one, we have a little bit of a tip there. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 folds, pinch and twist, just like that. And also doubles as a sword. We're going to twist this off, pop that up, just like that. So that's going to be the tip-top center of our flower. We then take one side and the other side of our yellow balloon in this case. Twist and tie and turn and fold that. Find the center, pinch, turn one side, that's what's going to cause it to twist. Fold that together, give it a twist, hold this together, push down, grab with one hand, and twist. If it doesn't pop, you did good. That's our simple 4 petals. Then we take our sword, twist the tip, put that in there, and we have our amazing, beautiful, wonderful flower.